Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1995 ECE paper and the question is related to digital circuits. For a TTL gate, match the following. The ABC given as VOH minimum, VIH minimum, VOL maximum. Okay, and those three parameters should be matched with the given values. And we know that one, a TTL. Okay, a TTL is going to be digital circuit that requires a logic 0 and logic 1. Logic 0, logic 1 are not going to be a single values, they are a range of values. Okay, so the range of values for a TTL gate is going to be specified like this. So this is going to be specified in this way. So this is assume that one, it is starting point from 0 volts. Okay, this is 0 volts and it is the ending which is nothing but 5 volts. So the power supply, let us assume we are using the 5 volts power supply and the low level is nothing but 0 volts. So in this one, logic 1 is going to be treated as from 2 volts to 5 volts. Whatever you are going with, this will be treated as high level, that is nothing but logic 1. So logic 1 is going to be a range of voltages between 2 to 5. 2 is nothing but minimum, 5 is nothing but maximum voltage. And logic low level is nothing but 0 to 0.8. So this is 0.8 volts is going to be treated as low level or it is logic 0. Okay, so between this one, whatever you are going to say, 0.8 to 2 is nothing but undefined. So this is nothing but undefined. It is whether it is going to be defined as logic 0 or logic 1, it is undefined. So we must ensure that one voltages are going to be falling between either 0 to 0.8 so that they can be treated as logic low level, otherwise they must be fall in between 2 to 5 so that they will be considered as logic high. They should not be fall between 0.8 to 2 volts, where they cannot be either treated as logic 1 or treated as logic 0. Remember that one. Okay, so now these are going to be the general values for a TTL. How do we make VOH, VIH, VOL? So first of all we will see what is meant by VOH, VIH, VOL in this way. So let us assume we are going with a TTL gate. This is going to be a TTL gate 1. So TTL gate 1 and the output of TTL gate 1 is going to be, now I am interested to connecting it to a one more TTL gate, that is nothing but TTL gate 2. TTL gate 2. So by this time let us assume the output of TTL 1 is going to be act as input for the TTL gate 2. So if the output of TTL gate 1 is going to be under high level, okay, it is acting as output whereas it is acting as input. So if the output of this TTL gate 1 is high, at that time that must be connected, so that here also it must be taken as high level only. Okay, so that here also at the input of TTL gate that should be accepted as high level. So here whatever the voltage you are going to be getting at the output of TTL gate 1 is going to be indicated as VOH minimum. VOH minimum, and here it is at the high level, it is going at the input side of TTL gate 2, it is indicated as VIH minimum. Okay, VIH minimum implies nothing but, remember that one, VIH minimum is minimum acceptable input voltage at high level. Okay, minimum acceptable high voltage, so that that point, that node is going to be treated as logic 1. Okay, VOH minimum is nothing but minimum acceptable output voltage, so that that node voltage is going to be treated as logic high. So what can be the relation between these two things, whether which has to be higher? Okay, so for example we are going with VOH is going to be something as VOH, we are going for it as going to be something as 2.6 volts, 2 point something 2.6 volts, and what VIH minimum is nothing but 3 volts, 3 volts. So by that time can we say that one, the voltage generated by this TTL gate 1 is 2.6 volts, that is valid as high level. Will it be valid at the input of TTL gate 2? Okay, TTL gate 2 VIH minimum is nothing but 3 volts, is nothing but logic high level is going to be starting from 3 volts, that implies nothing but 3 to 5 volts is nothing but actual acceptable logic high. logic high acceptable implies nothing but it is from 3 to high. If any voltage less than 3, that will not be treated as high level. But what you are giving is nothing but high level, which is going to be acceptable for TTL gate 1, that it is not acceptable for the TTL gate 2. So to satisfy whatever the high voltage given by the TTL gate 1 should be accepted by the TTL gate 2, by that time VOH minimum should be greater than, so that instead of this one we are going for the condition like this. VOH, if it is going to be greater than this one, either by that time whatever the logic high level given by the TTL gate 1, that will be definitely accepted by the TTL gate 2. So logic high level can be transmitted without any defect, okay, without any undesired values it will be transmitted. So the condition is nothing but VOH minimum should be greater than VIH minimum. So our TTL logic gate is going to be starting from 2 to 5. So you can take this 2 volts for the minimum one, so that VIH minimum can be treated as 2 volts, and whatever the value you will get more than this one, that will be, you are going to take that consideration which has to be greater than 2. So out of the given values, which is greater than 2 volts, okay, 2 volts is greater than is nothing but 2.4. So VOH minimum according to the given values is nothing but 2.4 volts, and VIH minimum is nothing but 2 volts. So VIH minimum is nothing but 2 volts, which is going to be connected over here, and VOH minimum is nothing but 2.4 volts. Okay, and next we are going for the other one. Now again, if the logic level is going to be, if the logic level is going to be at low level, so we are going for the same TTL gate. TTL gate 1 is going to be acting as output, that is connected as input for the TTL gate 2. Now instead of high level, we are going for the low level now. Okay, so the low level generated by the TTL gate 1 should be accepted for the TTL gate 2, so that whenever you are connecting, a proper low level is going to be transmitted to the TTL gate 2. By that time we are going with the notations as like this. Low level implies nothing but VOL, and at the input side VIL, and this will be treated as maximum. So VOL maximum and it is VIL maximum. The meaning of VIL maximum is nothing but maximum acceptable input voltage, so that that voltage is going to be treated for the low level. So under low level condition, VIL maximum is the maximum voltage that will be treated as logic low level. If anything greater than this one will be considered as undefined region, will be going into the undefined region. Okay, and VOL maximum is nothing but this is the maximum acceptable voltage at the output node, okay, under low level. If anything greater than that one, that cannot be treated as logic low level. The voltages below this one are going to be definitely treated as logic low level, above this one will be treated as undefined. Is that clear? So that what can be the relation between VOL maximum and VL maximum? So whatever the voltage it will be given by the gate 1, that should be accepted by the gate 2. So for this one, VOL maximum should be less than VIL maximum. So by that time, if it is going to be giving something voltage, okay, so if it is going to be giving 0.4 volts as going to be input, at that time that should be accepted as TTL gate input. So the value of VIL maximum should be more than that one, so that whatever the values it will supply as low level, that will be definitely accepted by the TTL gate 2. So according to our this one VIL maximum, this is a maximum low level voltage. The maximum low level voltage can be considered as 0.8 volts. So this can be 0.8 volts, and VOL maximum can be lesser than that one. According to our values, less than 0.8 is nothing but 0.4. So VOL maximum is equal to 0.4 volts, VIL maximum is 0.8 volts. So here it was given as VOL maximum. VOL maximum is 0.8 volts. That implies nothing but it is related to third one. Next, if it has given as D option, where it is indicated as VIL maximum, by that time it will be connected to 0.8. Okay, so this is what A will be, A is going to be matched with 1, and B is matched with 4, and C is matched with 3, and D, okay, VIL maximum, it is matched with 5. So this is what the answer. Thank you.